Hello, everyone. During the production process of denture zirconia, we often encounter various problems, such as inconsistent quality, inconspicuous abduction gap, unnatural maxillofacial morphology, and so on. Especially in terms of maxillofacial details, the difference between design and processing is large. These problems often require technicians to polish and trim the workpiece, which not only wastes their energy and time, but may even lead to rework in serious cases, affecting productivity. In response to the above situation, we have conducted in-depth communication and analysis with industry experts. On the basis of maintaining the work of the digital department, we optimized the UPCAM software and cutting strategy, and combined it with the use of the new P55D equipment in the following three aspects: crown edge treatment, looseness and tightness adaptation, and restoration form simulation. Using the new P55D machine with precise machining strategies, we applied a 0.6 mm extended milling tool for detailed milling of the abutment gap and a 0.3 mm micro engraving milling tool for the maxillofacial details, which significantly improved the results. Through this series of optimization, we are able to fundamentally improve the machining quality, reduce the time and difficulty of subsequent adjustments, while ensure the excellent performance and natural appearance of the final product. Next, let's take a look at how to carry out precision milling. The specific operation steps are as follows. UPCAM. 1. After completing the basic position of the restoration body placement, check. 2. Click on the tool path generation. Click on the generation method. Select for tool scudding, click Generate. 3. UPCAM will automatically generate NC files to ensure accurate transfer of machining data and smooth operation of the equipment. 4. Before cutting, carefully load the required material and ensure that it is stable and meets the machining requirements, laying a good foundation for the subsequent steps. 5. Place the 0.6 mm extended milling cutter in location and the 0.3 mm micro engraving milling cutter in location. 6. Next, we will show the precise cutting process of P55D. Feel every detail through the real-time screen to ensure accurate and efficient machining. 7. Presenting the finished product, the perfect repair effect shows the excellent performance and craftsmanship of P55D equipment. That's the end of this video. Feel free to follow UP3D on Facebook and Instagram, and subscribe to our official YouTube channel, UP3D Tech. More dental tips we'll share with you. If you're interested in the P55D or have any questions, you can contact us via email at info@up3dtech.com.